Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Billing Center coming back at you with another Milwaukee Monday video. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's Packout M18 light/charger. First off, if you don't know what Packout is, it's Milwaukee's really neat modular storage solution to transport tools to and from the job site. It's this really neat feature where everything just attaches with these clips and they just slide on to each other and lock in place, and so you can have an infinite amount of tools that you're carrying to the job site all in one solution of storage space. And so this light is one of those Packout systems that Milwaukee has made. So this light, it kind of looks like a normal box, but these lights flip up from this light/charger. And Milwaukee claims 3,000 lumens on this thing with up to 31 hours of runtime. It does have a low, medium, and high setting, so that way you can save battery life whenever you need to. The great thing about this too is that if you are in a place where you don't need it to be cordless, you can actually just plug it in for all-day runtime. It does have a space right here where when you have the battery in, you can put your phone in there and it'll actually charge your phone while you're on the job site. There is the plug-in for AC power, and then on this other side here, you'll see the port for the battery. So I'll just slide the battery in here. And then you'll also see that I have the power button, the mode, and then the different light settings. So I'll shut this, and when I turn this on, we have light. And then I have medium, and I have low settings as well. And then when I click mode, I can change between the different lights of what I want to do. So this thing is a really great solution if you're needing that extra light at a job site or wherever you're needing to go. It's cordless, so that way you're not having to find all the plugins all the time. If you're working at a new construction and you don't have anything wired up yet for outlets, this is a really great solution for that. We do have this in stock at our Hayes, Russell, and Stockton stores, like always. If you guys want to stop by and check it out, we got it. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Hit the notification bell. It just alerts you whenever we post new videos. Also, comment on Facebook or YouTube which tool you want to see me do next, and be entered into a giveaway where you get a free Milwaukee 5.0 M18 battery, and also your choice of any color of the hats that we have. We love to hear your guys' comments. We love to see your guys' interactions on our videos, so make sure to subscribe and follow, and we'll see you next time.